Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Vijay and today I'm going to teach you MS Excel lecture number 66. Today we will talk about extra spaces. If you are entering any data in an MS Excel sheet and while typing extra spaces get added anywhere, you might want to prevent those extra spaces from being added. You want the computer to give an error or display a stop message right there so that you cannot add extra spaces at that spot. So, before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something new from today's video, don't forget to like this video because your one like can help this video reach more and more people. So, let's start today's lecture. As you can see here, I have prepared three formats. Extra space are not allowed, then extra space are allowed. And after that, I have given extra space not allowed with trim function. So here, let's click. First of all, see, I wrote something here. I typed Ali here, gave one space, then another space, and then wrote Raza here. So here, extra space are allowed means that we can give extra spaces here, just like in our normal sheet, where every time you press the space bar, the data gets added. And when we click here, as I typed Ali, gave one space, then another, and then typed Raza, you can see here that you get a stop message and it says extra space are not allowed. So we want that whenever we write any data here, extra spaces should not be written or added. For that, I have created a table here. You need to select all those cells in which you do not want to allow extra spaces to be added. So for that, what will we do? You have to select all the cells, and after selecting them, we will come here to data, and after clicking on data, you need to go to data validation. It's a very simple function and you can apply it very easily. We have to click on data validation, and after that, you need to click on settings. After clicking on settings, you have to go to the allow tab, and here we will select the last command, which is custom. So after clicking on custom, we will write a formula here. First, you have to write equals to so that it becomes equal to. Which cell? This one, the first cell written below the extra space. Click here. If it becomes equal to what? Here we have trim. So we will use the trim function here. After that, start the bracket and then you have to give the cell address right here because we have already made the selection. This formula will be applied to all the cells above. So you will add the trim function here. Start the bracket and here you have to click. Then after that, you have to close the bracket. After that, what you need to do is come here to error. After clicking on error, type stop here. After typing stop, you will give an error message here, okay? Here, you will type it in. Extra spaces are not allowed. In the custom message, whatever we want to display here, we can show it here, and then we click OK here. Now, whenever you write anything here, for example, I typed Rashid here, and then gave one space, then another, and then typed Ali here, and pressed enter. See, the message is showing up here, meaning extra spaces are not being added here. So, what will we do for this? Let's come back here again. I typed Rashid here, gave one space, and then typed Ali. See, it has been added easily. Similarly, if you give a space at the beginning here, like I typed Majid here and pressed enter, an error still appears. And in the same way, if you type Majid here and then give a space at the end and press enter, it also shows an error. And if you want to remove this, then select this data, and after selecting, go to data validation. Go to settings, and here, if you remove this formula or click on clear all the formatting will be removed from here. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how you can prevent extra spaces in your open sheet or active sheet. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.